Location, parking radiation.
Good morning guys, welcome to another video of my car madness. Today we have a Citroen C4 Cactus on a 66 plate, which is 2016-17, and if you're looking for the OBD plug, this being a right hand drive, is on this side where the glove box used to be on every single Peugeot, and you have to gently pull this trim. Here, and here you gently pull. It's better to use two hands. There you go. It's all got plastic clips in there now, like these ones. I did try to pull it earlier. They're not broken. You just have to realign them in there and gently pull towards you. Yeah. There we go. It does go in at this slight angle underneath here when you're refitting the trim. That's your OBD plug. And also to reset the service light, it's the same procedure. You have to plug it into the OBD. Use your diagnostic tool. Just give me a minute to load. Once it loads up, if you scroll to service interval reset, go on diagnostic procedure, just read the instruction, continue and reset interval, and continue again, and that's it. That's done. You can just go over, switch the ignition off, switch it back on, and your service light's been done. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and press the notification bell to get other videos. I had to use two hands. I couldn't explain this to you guys. When you're removing this trim, the clips that's behind it, which usually be metal, is plastic. Don't be scared. Just apply gentle pressure to remove it, and you'll be alright. It should not be much of a problem. And when you do remove it, some of the clips will fall off. All you have to do is put the backing on the little plastic trim that sticks out so that the clip can lock on, and push the clips inwards, and that should just lock it. Or if not, just try to get it to stay on there, and once you push it in place, it will lock itself in. And that should be it. It should not be too much of a hassle or problem. So the Renault Cactus on the 66 plate. If you're wondering what the Pollen filter is under this trim here. I'm not going to remove it because I've already changed it.